Hello, I'm Joe Frodsham with Renon Power. I'm here today in beautiful Cabo San Lucas. I'm with Innovación Solar, one of our incredible partners here. So happy to be working with them. I'm with Constanza Bueno, who is the General Manager of Innovación Solar. Constanza, would you like to introduce us and show us around?
Sure. Hi. So as Joe was saying, I'm Constanza Bueno and I work in Innovación Solar. It's a company that have been in the area since 2009. So we have a lot of installations throughout the place, and I can show you one of our latest ones that we are actually still working on it. So yeah, let's get to it.
Okay, great. Okay, we're here in the electrical room of this beautiful home in Cabo San Lucas. And there's a lot going on here. It's still under construction, so it's a little bit messy, but when it's done, it's gonna look pristine. So what we have going on here is we've got two 30K Sol-Arks, and we have a massive array on the roof. We got 6 strings coming in, 3 on each of these, and these are connected into the ECube 60APs, each of which has 60 kilowatt hours of power, of storage, and this is a big system to support this big house.
Okay, so thank you so much, Joe, for coming up here. That's it for today, and we're glad to have you here, and we're glad to collaborate with you, Renon Power, an amazing brand of batteries. So yeah, thank you for being here.
Thanks for having us, Constanza. This has been wonderful. And thank you all for watching this little piece on this beautiful home with this wonderful installation by our premier partner, Innovación Solar. Check them out at innovacionsolar.com. If you're interested in a system like this, you can check us out. Please leave a comment below. You can also look for us on LinkedIn, on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. We'd love to hear from you. If you want a system like this, if you want to work with a wonderful partner, very capable installer, the premier in the area, call Innovación Solar. Looking forward to talking to you further. Reach out to us directly if you're not in this area. We'd be happy to help you.